In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear download history when you close Microsoft Edge. This is a really useful setting if you want to keep your browser a little more private and make sure your download history doesn't stay saved after you exit the browser. It only takes a few seconds, and once you turn it on, Edge will automatically handle it for you in the background. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and tools. From here, click on Settings. This will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. Now that you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left side. Find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls your privacy options, browsing data, security settings, and several cleanup tools. If you're trying to manage what Edge keeps stored on your device, this is the area you want to use. Once you're inside Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll down until you find a section called Clear Browsing Data. In that section, click Clear Browsing Data on Close. This is the feature that lets you choose what Edge should automatically delete every time you close the browser. After you open that option, you'll see a list of items you can toggle on or off. Find download history in the list and switch it on. When this is enabled, Microsoft Edge will clear your download history automatically whenever you close the browser. That means your downloaded file list won't stay in Edge after each session. If you want, you can also review the other options in this menu and decide whether you want Edge to clear anything else on Close. But if your main goal is just to remove download history, turning on that one setting is enough. Now your setting is saved, and Edge will clear download history each time you close it. This is a simple but effective way to keep your browser cleaner and more private without having to manually erase anything every day. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.